At Imbibe, we develop, formulate, and commercialize beverages. We create and sell the custom-made ingredients that go into those beverages, including flavors, stabilizer blends, functional premixes, and sweetener systems. Our unique approach begins by assigning a beverage scientist, a flavor chemist, and other subject matter experts on an as-needed, per-project basis. The beverage scientist is focused on all the important aspects of the product, like the nutritional profile, texture, color, stability, labeling considerations, processing methods, shelf life considerations, cost, and scalability. While the flavor chemist is focused on creating your characterizing flavor profile, which might entail flavor masking, flavor modulation, top note enhancing, or matching an existing flavor profile. Our R&D team collaborates by tasting iterations together and deciding as a team which components to manipulate in order to deliver the perfect product. Our process leads to a specificity and nuance that you don't get from traditional approaches to beverage development and formulation. Our beverage experts work closely with our clients to make sure we are always exceeding their expectations. Because of our long history in the industry and our exclusive focus on beverage, we have a tremendous level of experience and expertise across every beverage type you can imagine. We're already at the optimization phase, while other companies are still at the base development phase. After the formulation is complete, Imbibe also manages product scale-up and production. We incorporate this scale-up and manufacturing experience from project kickoff. This enables our customers to get to market faster and with less risk of problems at startup. Our clients can be confident that all of the products we create are commercially viable. Imbibe is truly your partner in beverage development. Since we are part of your supply chain, we are only successful if your product is successful. Now, let's get to work.